listen up, the video you just watched? Made entirely with Seedance 2.5 in 1080p. Crazy, right? And Higgsfield just became the first AI platform to give us access to it. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to use it for free. So this right here is the AI platform, and from the get-go, you can see they have lots and lots of amazing features. Higgsfield is actually the first AI platform to give us Seedance 2.5 with 1080p quality, and new users do get 5 free generations up until Tuesday, so make sure to check it out. From the get-go, you can see we are not limited to 1 or 2 models, because this platform is honestly a beast. You can look around and see top models like Supercomputer, MCP Tool, as well as the Higgsfield Cinema Studio 4, and in this video, we are going to be testing out Seedance 2.5 with 1080p, so do make sure to stick to the end. And as you can see on screen, the quality we get with this AI platform is just insane. I mean, just look at this. You couldn't even tell that some of this was made with AI. That's the amazing quality we get with Seedance 2.5. Now, before we test out Seedance 2.5, let's test out the image generator, because if you hover over here, you should see a list of amazing features as well as models that you can use. For example, they have the AI influencer, the relight feature, and many, many others. And if you look over the models, you see that they are not lacking in this department as well. They even have top models like ChatGPT Image 2 and Seedream 5 Pro. Now, in order to generate high-quality, realistic images with this, all you have to do is click right here on Create Image, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Now, from the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing out these AI platforms, and the quality we get with this is just great. I mean, take a look at this. Some of these don't even look like AI at all. Now, you might be wondering, how do I generate with this? Well, that's simple. All you have to do is type in a simple prompt. For example, I can say, "A man giving his dog a treat in a park," just like this. And you can click right here on the models, and you can see you have a wide variety of models to choose from, but for this, I'm going to go with ChatGPT Image 2. So all you have to do is select it right here, and you can choose the aspect ratio, which I'm going to leave at 1:1. And now, what's crazy is that we can generate more than 1 image at a time, but I recommend generating 2 images, so we have a variety to choose from. Having all that set, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our images for us. Okay, in no time, our images are done, and let me take a look at what it generated. And honestly, this is just great. It adhered to the prompt perfectly, and the quality we get with this is just amazing. I also have some other features to test this out with, like the recreate feature and the reference image feature, and you can as well turn this into a video with the click of a button, which saves you the stress of writing an image to video prompt. But I'm just gonna click right here and download it straight into my device. Now that I've shown you guys how to generate images, let's head over to the main reason why we're here, which is actually Seedance 2.5 with 1080p, which is only available on Higgsfield as of now up until Monday. Now, in order to use this, all you have to do is hover over here on videos. And just like the image generator, you can see it has lots of amazing features, and even has top models like Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2, 4K, and many more. All you have to do is click right here on Create Video, and you should be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that I've been generating high-quality videos with this using the Seedance 2.5 model, and I'll show you how to do so in the coming seconds. Now, in order to use this, all you have to do is scroll down and select the model, and they have a wide list of models again, so make sure you have Seedance 2.5 selected. What's amazing about this is that we actually get 1080p quality instead of the 720p we were limited to before. So make sure to select it. And you can take the duration all the way up to 30 seconds, which I'll do. And this is just great because having 30-second videos paired with the high quality that we get with Seedance 2.5 is just great. Now, what's left to do is type in a simple prompt of your choice. For example, I can say, "A man late to work running past a busy street," just like this. And leaving the aspect ratio at 16:9, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. I'm really excited to see how well this AI platform will handle this, so just give this a couple of seconds while it generates the video for us. Okay, our video is done generating, so let's take a look at what it generated for us.
Hey! Watch out!
Hey!
And honestly, that was just mind-blowing. I did not expect that. The quality and everything was just on point, and it not only generates the video for us, it actually made it way better. It actually felt like something pulled straight out of a Hollywood film. And what's great about this is that you can download this straight into your device with the click of a button right here. Now, do remember that this is the only platform that actually gives us access to Seedance 2.5 in 1080p up until Monday. And new users get 5 free generations for completely free, so make sure you're a new user. This offer runs up until Tuesday. You just need to put in your credit card and you can cancel it at any time. So do make sure to check it out. The link to this will be in the description below.